Welcome to my WordPress channel where I talk all things WordPress, ShowIt, and Divi. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can upload a custom font into your ShowIt builder and the best practices for using that. Don't forget to check the description below for my ShowIt template, and let's get started. Your first step is to have a file for your font. For me, I usually go to default.com. I've been using this since I was a freshman in college, and you find that font that you want. If you already own your font, even better, you can go ahead and skip this part. But what I usually do is I go to handwritten. I will go to 100% free. This is a Creative Commons license. It allows you to use it wherever you want. If you want to purchase a font, I highly recommend that. That is where you're going to get the customizable fonts. And of course, I recommend supporting designers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Abuja, and I'm going to download that one. This is one of my favorite fonts. So once you open up that zip, it's going to give you a TTF file. It could be an OTF file, and even more ideally, it'll be a WOOF file. Since this is a TTF, I am going to have to transfer this to a WOOF file, and I will show you that here right now. So if you go here over to Site, and you go to your design settings, you can go to fonts. All right. And so right here it says, to add a custom font, upload a WOOF file to your library, then add it here by giving it a custom name. So then it also includes this link to Font Squirrel. And this is where you can upload your OTF or TTF file that you just downloaded or that you might have in your system already. And just upload that. So now this is going to transfer the OTF or TTF to a WOOF file. It might take a little minute, just depending on how big the file is or how fast your internet is. And mine went quite quickly. So it downloaded a zip. And now if I open that up, it is going to include that WOOF font right there. So now head back over to your ShowIt. We're going to exit out of those design settings and go to your media library. You can see here I've already uploaded Quentin as a font. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drop Abuja into there. Perfect. So now it's in there. Now exit out of your library and head back over to design settings. And then here under custom fonts, just click that drop down and it'll show up right here. So I'm going to name it Abuja, not budget. Abuja. And then add custom font. There. Now look, it's right there. So now save. And you can go ahead and you can change different text to just that. So you know what? Let me go back. I didn't go properly. See, it's gone. Let's do that one more time. There we go. Save. Now, if I click on this, I could just change one to Abuja. Looking pretty funny right now because I have some letter space here. There. So look how cute that is. But personally, what I like to do, and this is how you can easily edit your entire site across the board, is I go to design settings, site style, and I will change the subheading to that custom font. This could also work for your heading or your title. And so now you can just go ahead and click that Abuja, and it's going to change all the set headings across your site. And so then I'm going to leave this one at Quentin because this is the theme that I'm currently working on. So now, whenever I just go and I click subheading, it's going to change there to exactly this what I want. And if I ever want to change this down the road, maybe I'm sick of the Quentin font and I want Abuja, I can just go ahead and click, and it's done. Okay, so that's a good design tip. It's a good design tip for you. And that's it. And that's how you can make your website just really have that customized, stylish, cute look.